So this is an induction top cooktop, which means you have to use a special type of pot. Not any type of pot will work. The ones we have under here all will work. And if you have a question about it, you can look on the bottom of the pot and it will tell you that it's induction. Our cooktop's a little bit different. So the control panel is a little bit off. So to actually work the bottom burner, you're not going to push the on and off button right where it shows. You're going to be a little bit above it, which is about 1/2 inch. The pan or pot has to be in contact with the surface for it to work. You can hear a slight humming sound. And to actually turn it on, a different heat, for the bottom burner, you're going to actually push the negative on the burner that looks like it's the top. And you can hear it start to heat up. This works very fast. I'm going to show you how fast this will boil water. You have to keep an eye on it. We're going to go ahead and turn it up to a high temperature. You can hear it start to hum. So while that's boiling, it'll only take about 2 minutes. I'm going to show you where this burner control is. So this would be the top. So we're going to swipe up here about 1/2 inch above, and we're going to actually turn on the control lock. Now that's heating up this pan. So again, we're about 1/2 inch up to work the top one, 1/2 inch up to work the bottom one. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off because that's going to get too hot too quickly. But you can see this is already starting to boil in just the amount of time that we talked about. Same thing on this side. This middle burner actually does not work, so don't attempt to use that one. But the same thing on this side. If you want to work this burner, swipe about 1/2 inch to 1 inch above, and to see, we're actually boiling over here already. So don't take your eye off that. But again, this is failing. If it gives you an F, it means that something's going on with it. The pan has to be in contact with the surface. So we're going to swipe up. I'm actually turning that one off. This one, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off since it's at a high boil. And it goes off really fast. To work the bottom burner, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to be about 1/2 inch above, so we're going to aim for actually the top. And we can adjust it. By pushing on the increase on that one as well. So this one I'm going to go ahead and turn off. That's going to get hot too fast. But that's how you work it. Just keep an eye on it. Make sure you use the right pans. And if you got any questions, watch this video and you'll see that, again, the top controls control the lower burners, and then up above about 1/2 inch, somewhere in here, you can control the top burners.